Consider this word problem about baking brownies. You are baking brownies for your class. You put white frosting on 1/3 of the brownies, and you put small red hearts on 1/4 of the brownies. How many brownies have both white frosting and small red hearts on them? Can the brownie problem be solved? If so, solve the problem. If not, explain why. And then, is this 1/4 times 1/3? Is this 1/3 plus 1/4? And it is neither. It could be either. It's not clear. It could be that we frosted 1/3 of the cake, right? Oh, brownies, sorry. So in terms of cutting our, let's label it. So here we have our brownies. And then we're going to frost 1/3. So let's get our frosting out. So I'm going to frost 1/3. Okay. And we're going to put little red hearts on 1/4 of the brownies, right? But for all we know, the 1/4 of the brownies is on a whole different corner, right? Like we don't really know. And so for all we know, all of the hearts are in this corner. So here we have hearts on 1/4 of the brownie, right? And it isn't clear if it is this image, which is 1/3 plus 1/4. It is not clear if there was overlap either. So for part C, we would need this image. And for part B, we would want to frost 1/3 of our brownies. So let's get our brownies frosted. And then put hearts on 1/4 of the frosted. Then we would know what amount of brownies is heart covered and frosted, right? So let's label this 1/4 of 1/3 of the brownies. Scrunch that in. Okay, so can the brownie problem be solved? No. Explain. If not, explain why not. The reason is because we don't know if there's any overlap or not. We need that to be clarified for us. Is the brownie problem the picture we see in B? If so, explain why. If not, modify. And is the brownie problem the image we see in C? If not, modify. Okay, so we get no for all of these. And then for B, let's write ourselves a problem. B would look like, we have to modify this one. You're baking brownies for your class. You put white frosting on a third of the brownies, and you put, so we're going to start there. And you put small red hearts on the frosted brownies. Dot, dot, dot. So we've modified the word problem with this sentence here. We want to remove this statement and replace it with our statement so that it reads, you are baking brownies for your class. You put white frosting on 1/3 of the brownies, and you put small red hearts on the frosted brownies. How many brownies have both white frosting and small red hearts on them? Okay, now to get the image to be 1/3 plus 1/4, what should we modify? So for C, which we have above, so I'm going to write it actually up here to match the top drawing. So for 1/3 plus 1/4, we need to be sure to note that they're not frosted. So we're going to say, same place, I think we're going to cross this out and say, and you put small red hearts on the oh wait, I just noticed, and you put small red hearts on 1/4 of, right? We lost our fraction, on 1/4 of the frosted brownies. So let me fix this one. Okay, that's better. Oh, we don't know how many also. So that's another fix that we have to do for this one. What fraction of the brownies have both, right? What fraction of the brownies have both? Okay, because to fix it for C, let's see, let's start over. Sorry, I caught that, so I had to go fix it. But now B reads, you're baking brownies for your class. You put white frosting on 1/3 of the brownies, and you put small red hearts on 1/4 of the frosted brownies. What fraction of the brownies have both white frosting and small red hearts on them. So now I believe that's fixed. And for C, then let me look at our question. You put white frosting on a third of the brownies, and you put red hearts on a fourth of the brownies. Let's get no frosted brownies have red hearts, so they're separate. So I'm inserting that here. What fraction of the brownies have either white frosting or small red hearts on them? So we've separated them. There's no overlap, and we're going to add the parts together. So you're baking brownies for your class. You put white frosting on 1/3 of the brownies, and you put small red hearts on a fourth of the brownies. No frosted brownies have red hearts. What fraction of the brownies have either white frosting or small red hearts on them?